In this video, I'm going to teach you how to disable auto-dubbing on YouTube. So to disable auto-dubbing on YouTube or future videos, you first need to head over to studio.youtube.com on your own channel. Now from in there, you can head over to your uploads default setting by clicking onto the settings option. Then after that, click onto this upload defaults. And from in there, you can see this option. Click on this advanced settings and you can see all of this right here. So scroll down and uncheck the option for allow the automatic dubbing option. So it should be able to appear right here if it's available to you, but since it's not available to me, it's typically possible only on the regions where it's supported. So on the Philippines, it's not supported yet, but if it's supported on the country that you're in, just proceed to uncheck the automatic dubbing option and then proceed to click onto the save option in order to save the changes that you have made. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.